Namaste, good morning. My name is Vijay Joshi. By profession, I am badminton trainer in Sri Saraswati Sishu Mandir Primary School, which is located in Patan district and works at Kinder Sports. Hereby, I want to show you 8 different type of services written in doubles game in badminton. So before showing that skill, I want to inform you what is the important aspect of doing body warm up exercise before any kind of game. Body warm up exercise is most integral part in the athlete's life. Body warm up exercise is the exercise through which one's body will one can prepare his body for the extreme level of workload. If one person will do body warm up exercise before the game, so during the game he can give his 100% effort for the playing a particular game, and body warm up exercise will help anyone else to prevent himself from the injury. So this is the main aspect of the body warm up exercise. Now I want to show you guys 8 different type of service returns in doubles game badminton. Let me show you guys how to do this. So here guys, I want to show you 8 different places in doubles game to return the serve, in which area you can return the serve. Here my friend who will serve again and again, I will show you 8 different places for serve. Let us show you guys. Backhand front side, here first one. Second one is backhand mid court side. Third one is backhand back court side. So here you have seen 3 side, which is backhand mid court, backhand back court and backhand front court. The fourth one is forehand front side. Next one, forehand mid court side. Sixth one, forehand back court side. So here you have seen 6 different type of serve you can return, and during this time motion of my racket is same. Here 7th one is on towards the body of opponent player. Number 8 is drop, and the last one is number 9. Generally all the players like to do this 9th number of return. So here I want to show you what is this flick toward backside. So here you have seen all the types of services written during the doubles. So here you have seen 9 different types of service written in doubles game with the same angle of movement of your body, with the same motion of movement of your racket. So by knowing this type of skill, anyone can improve his game, gain points easily, and his partner will free to play his game, and eventually performance of their pair, performance of their individual level will increase a lot. Apart from that, I want to inform you what is the importance of doing body cool down exercise. Body cool down exercise is as much important as body warm up exercise. During the game, during the performance, a body will feel extremely pressure. Workload of anyone's body will at the tremendous. So to cool down your heartbeat, which was increased during the game, one must have to do body cool down exercise while playing a game like football, badminton, tennis. It require a lot of physical activity of your body. So during that time, muscles power, your usage of muscles was tremendously increased. So to remain it normal, one must require to do body cool down exercise after finishes the particular game. So it will so regularly doing body warm up exercise and body cool down exercise will will make you fit for the playing any kind of sports. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.